director of tourism stating that the mayor of, I don't know I can't pronounce the name of the city, which is part of China, would like to visit the mayor of the capital city of Goa. I immediately took the opportunity of telling the director, yes, we will host a small function and that they are most welcome. They were supposed to come at 3 o'clock sharp. But then our people, our corporate, onward corporate, all of them were not ready. I have requested for a twinning city between Panjim city and the city of the Chinese country. He has shown positive response. I have told him that people of Panjim and Goa like Chinese crockery, like Chinese furniture, and a women like Chinese wardrobe.
And Chinese mobiles.
And Chinese mobiles. And I said I love Chinese dishes, chopstick. So he was very much impressed. He said that he will carry further this message of ours for a twinning city, and I'm confident that very soon some reply will come where all our corporators go there. I said, you officially write to us, you send us the visa, because you know Chinese how it is. You send us the visa, and if need be, I'll take a couple of my media friends also. Their city is more of tourism. They've got beautiful mountains. That's what he said. They want that Indian tourism, Goa tourism should also have the people of our Goa and Panjim and India should see those mountains. Honeymoon couples especially should go there, because in honeymoon mountain is good. So I hope things improve. It should not be only that the strong shake hand, the way he gave the strong shake hand, look like things are, CCP is looking out for happy days. I have said that we would like to have the technology of China to redevelop our Santanis Creek, to redo up our roads, to have some sweeping machines, many technology which are in China. If there is a twinning city, they could help us in giving those machines.